Good morning everyone. Today we'll do exercise 6.4. Question 1 is based on long division method of finding square root. Children, till now we have learned about repeated subtraction and prime factorization method of finding square root. Now we will learn about long division method of finding square root. Suppose in question number 1 first part we have to find the square root of 2304 using long division method. So first of all, write down in division form 2304, right? Write down like this, make a division column. So write down 2304. Now make pairs from the back. We have to take numbers in pairs. 40 is one pair, 32 is another pair. So you can see we have two pairs. One pair is 04 and other pair is 23. We have to make pairs from the back. 40 comes in one pair and 32 will come in other pair. Now this is not a simple division. We cannot take 4 5s are 20, right? The number lesser than 23 is 20. If we see 5 4s or 4 5s are 20, but you can see here 4 and 5, when we multiply them we get 20. 4 and 5 are not same numbers. We have to multiply two same numbers because this is a square root. We have to take numbers in square. We have to take pairs of numbers. So you can see the number perfect square smaller than 23 is 16. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. So 25 is greater than 23. So we have to take the smallest perfect square. So the smallest perfect square from 23 is 16. And it comes at 4 4s. So 1 4 will come in divisor and 1 4 in quotient. 4 into 4 makes 16. Then 23 minus 16 is 7. Now we have to take 04 in the, we have to carry forward 04. We cannot take single numbers, right? We have to take numbers in pairs. When we carry forward the 0 and 4, both the numbers will come here. So it becomes 704. Now what you have to do, now this was the divisor for 23. 4 was the divisor for 23. Now for 704 we have to change the divisor. For that what you have to do, you have to see the number in the quotient. We have 4 in the quotient. 4 into 2, we have to multiply that particular number which was in the quotient with 2. So you get the next digit of the divisor. Now we get 8. Now we have to multiply 8 in such a way that we have to take the numbers in pairs. 8 along with 8 and 8 I am taking. If I take 88 into 8, you have to take these two numbers same. If I am taking here 6, I have to take here 6. If I am taking here 5, I have to take here 5. If I am taking here 4, I have to take here 4. So again we have to take square numbers. So I have taken this 8 is already there. 88 into 8 is 704. So we get 88. 1 8 will come with this 8 and 1 8 will go in quotient. So 88 into 8 is 704. So square root of 2304 is 48. Now let us do second part. Again 4489. So first write down 4489 in division form. Then make pairs from the end, right? From the back. 9 8 will come in one pair, 4 4 will come in other pair. Now we have to see the perfect square smaller than 44, and perfect square smaller than 44 is 36, and that comes on 6 6. So we have to multiply. We cannot take 6 7s are 42 because 6 and 7 are different numbers. We have to take same numbers. We need perfect squares. So 6 6 are 36. 44 minus 36 is 8. Then we'll carry forward these two numbers. We have to take numbers in pairs. So when we take this along with this 8, we will take 89. Not only 8, both 8 and 9 together. So this becomes 889. Now we need its divisor. For that we have in the quotient 6. So double of 6 is 6 into 2 is 12. Now along with this 12, I have to take such a number, same number, along with 12 and below 1, 2 and whatever is there. You have to take same number and the product should give us 889. So if I take Along with this 12, if I take 3, it becomes 123 into 3. So the product is 369, which is very much smaller than 889. Then I will check on 127 into 7. Why I am checking on 3 and 3 and 7 and 7? Because you can see when I multiply 3 and 3, it gives 9 at the unit place, and 7 also gives 9 in the unit place. I want the unit place be 9, so it will be coming 9 only if I multiply 3 with 3 or 7 with 7. So you can check with 3 and 3 and 7 and 7 both. When I multiply 123 into 3, I get 369, and when I multiply 127 into 7, it becomes 889. So you can see this is very much smaller than 889. So 889 is coming exactly on 127 sevens are. So this 12 will become 127, and 17 will go in the quotient. Here 889 will come, and remainder is 0. So square root of 4489 is 67. Now coming to third, again square root of 3481, put it in division form and make pairs from the end. One pair is 18, other pair is 34. So we have two pairs. Now perfect square smaller than 34 is 25. It comes at 5 5s are 25. And after subtraction, 34 minus 25, we get 9. Then we'll take 81. In the next 981 be the next dividend now. Now we want divisor. So we'll do the double of 5. Right here. You can see here quotient is 5. So we'll multiply this 5 with 2 to get the next divisor 10. Now we'll take one number along with 10. Same number up and down, whose product gave us 981. So you can see unit place is 1. So it will be coming 1 at either, if I multiply 101 with 1. So it is a very smaller number. And 1 at unit place will be coming if I multiply 109 with 9. So 9 9s are 81, 9 1s are 9. It means 109 into 9 gives 981. So 9 will come with 10. It becomes 109. And this 9 will go in the quotient. It becomes 59. And product is 981. So remainder is 0. So square root of 3481 is 59. Now coming to fourth part, 529. To find its square root, again put it in division and make pairs from the back. Now you can see in pairs, 9 2 will come in one pair, and this is a single digit number, right? So whenever we have after making pair from the back, if we left with one single digit in the left side, so that will come in the pair only, that digit will come in pair only, right? So now we want perfect square smaller than 5, that is 4, and it comes at 2 2s are 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1, and 2 9 will come here. Now double of 2 is 4. Now we want a number with 4, the same number up and down with 4, whose product give us 129. So you can see, if I take along with this 4, if I take 3 3s are, this 3 and this 3, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. So I get 43 into 3 is 129. So 43 into 3 is 129. So square root of 529 is 23. You will get remainder 0 here. Next fifth part, 3249. Again make pairs from the back. 49 and 32 are two pairs. Perfect square smaller than 32 is 25, and it comes at 5 5s are 25. So after subtraction we get 7. So this 4 and 9 will come in denominator. In this, along with this 7, this 4 and 9 will come here. It becomes 749. Now we'll do double of 5. 5 into 2 is 10. Double of the quotient. We have to do always, to find the next divisor, we have to multiply it with 2. If 57 is there, we want next divisor here. So 57 into 2 will be there in the next divisor. So whatever is in the quotient, to get the divisor, next divisor, we have to double it. 5, double of 5 is 10, or 5 into 2 is 10. Now along with 10 we need such a number which gives us 749. So along with 10 I am taking 7 7. The same numbers we have to take. I can take, you can see the unit place is 9, so I can take 3 also, because 3 and 3 also give me 9. But it is not giving me 749, it is giving me 309. So the next number which I can take whose unit place is 9 is 7 into 7. So when you multiply 107 with 7, you get 749. So 107 and 17 will go in the quotient. It becomes 107 into 7 gives me 749, remainder is 0. So square root of 3249 is 57. Now 6th, 7th, 8th part you will be trying yourself. Coming to 9th part, square root of 576. Again make pairs from the back. 7, 6 will come in one pair and one single digit is left, that will come in pair. Don't make pairs from left to right. Always make pairs from right to left. So if one pair is made and one single digit is left, that single digit number will come in pair. Now the perfect square smaller than 5 is 4. 2 2s are 4. Subtract, after doing subtraction we get 1. Then 7 and 6 will come down. It becomes 176. Double of 2 is 4. Now we have to take along with this 4 such two numbers whose product give us 176. So if I take 4 into 44 into 4, if along with this 4 I take 3, so you can see I get 129, which is smaller than 176. So next number I can take is, instead of 3, here I can take 4. So 44 into 4 makes it 176. So 40, this 1 4 will come with this 4 and 1 4 will go in the quotient. Square root of 576 is 24. Next is 900. Again make pairs from the end. These two zeros will come in one pair and 9 will come in other pair. 3 3s are 9. 9 is perfect square. 9 itself is a perfect square. So 3 into 3 gives me 9. So remainder is 0. Then we'll take out these zeros in the here down. Then double of 3 is 6. Now we have to take along with 60 such number which give us 0, and 60 into 0 only give us 0, because if I take 1 along with 6 it gives me 61, but I want zeros, and zeros will come only if I take 60 zeros are 0. So you can see 60 zeros are 0. So quotient is 30, that is our square root. Square root of 900 is 30. So 11th and 12th part also you will be trying yourself. This was question number 1, long division method. Now in question number 2, find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following numbers without doing any calculation. Without finding out the square root, we have to tell how many digits will be there, in the square root of this particular number. As you can see here, in 2304, square root of 2304 is 48. It is a 2-digit number. Why it is a 2-digit number? Because you can see here how many pairs I have made. I have made 2 pairs. If 2 pairs are there, the number of digits in the square root of that particular number will be 2. One method is this one. There are 2 methods to find the number of digits in the square root. One method is, if you are making 2 pairs with that particular number, then the answer will be a 2-digit number. Here also you can see we have made 2 pairs. 2 pairs means answer will be a 2-digit number. Here also we have made how many pairs? 2 pairs. So when 2 pairs are made, answer will be a 2-digit number. Now one method was that. Other method is, you have to see how many numbers are there in a particular, what is n here? N means number of digits. So you can see 64. In 64 we have 2 digits, 6 and 4. There are 2 digits. N is 2, that is even. And number of digits in the square root of 64 is, for even the formula is n by 2. And n is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. So you can see number of digits in the square root is 1. Or you can use this method. When we put 64 in division form and then we'll make pairs, we can see only one pair is there. How many pairs we have made? Only one pair. So number of pairs are, if number of pairs are 1, it means number of digits in its square root will also be 1. Second part, now you can see n is 3. N means number of digits in particular number. 1, 2, 3. So here n is 3 and 3 is odd. And to find out the number of digits in the square root of 144 for odd digits are n plus 1 by 2. As you can see, n was 3 and it is odd. So formula for odd is n plus 1 by 2. 3 plus 1 by 2, that is 4 by 2 or 2. Or if you do it by this method, so if you make pairs, 44 will come in one pair and 1 will come in other pair. So number of pairs are 2. It means number of digits in the square root will be 2. Here you can see n is 4, 4 is even, so number of digits in its square root is n by 2, that is 4 by 2 equal to 2. Or if you make its pairs, so you can see we can make 2 pairs. 2 pairs means number of digits in square root is 2. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here n is 5, odd. So therefore number of digits in square root of 27225 is, formula for odd is n plus 1 upon 2, 6 upon 2, that is 3. Or if we make pairs, you can see 1 pair, 2 pair and 3rd pair. So you can see we may have made 3 pairs, so that is why number of digits in its square root is 3 only. Next 390625. So you can see here n is 6, even. So therefore number of digits in square root of 390625 is n by 2, that is 6 by 2, 3 digits. Or if you see by other method, if we make pairs from the end, this is 1 pair, this is another pair, this is 3rd pair. So 3 pairs means number of digits will be 3. This was question number 2. Now coming to question 3, we have to find the square root of these decimal numbers. Now for decimal numbers, what you have to see, again write it in division form, 2.56. Now in decimal numbers, what you have to see, you have to put pairs, you have to make pairs from this decimal. The numbers which come in the right side of decimal will come in pair from left to right. Suppose 5, 6. Right side of decimal is, the numbers which are on the right side of decimal is 5, 6. So this will come in pair. If one more pair we can make, if suppose 1, 8 is there, then also we can make one more pair, 1, 8. And the digit on the left of decimal is 2, so this 2 will come in pair, right? So we have to make pairs taking care of decimal, right? So the numbers which are on the right side of decimal will come in pair, and the number which is on the left side of decimal will be making pair in this form, will make pair in this form. Now you can see the perfect square smaller than 2 is 1, so it comes at 1, 1's a 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, right? Then this decimal will go in the quotient, right? This decimal will go in the quotient and 5, 6 will come down. This pair will come down, it becomes 156. Now again we have to do double of quotient. Quotient is 1 and double of 1 is 2. 1 into 2 is 2. Now we have to take, along with this 2, we have to take 2 such numbers whose product will give us 156. So if I take along with this 2, 4, 24 into 4, because these 2 numbers should be same, right? If I'm taking here 3, it should be taken 3 here. If I'm taking here 5, 5 will be here. If I'm taking 6 here, I have to take 6 here. Now I'm taking 24 into 4, which is 96, smaller than 156. Then I will check at 26 into 6, because their unit place will give me 6 only. That's why I'm multiplying with 4 and 6 only, because 6 6 are unit place is 6, 4 4s are unit place will give me 6. So 26 into 6 give me 156. So 26 will come here and 1 6 will go in the quotient, and the product is 156, remainder is 0. So square root of 2.56 is 1.6. Now check for the second part, 7.29. Again make pairs from this decimal, make pair. One pair is 29 and other pair is 7, and perfect square smaller than 7 is 4. 2 2s are 4. After subtraction we get 3. This decimal will go in the numerator, in the quotient, right? This decimal will go in the quotient, and this 2 9 will come down with 3. It becomes 329. Now to find the next divisor, we need this number to be multiplied with 2. 2 2s are 4. Now I have to take along with this 4 such 2 numbers, same numbers, whose product give me 329. So if I want the unit place 9, so I can take 3 3 also, because 3 and 3 gives me unit place 9, and 4 3s are 12, but it is smaller than 329, 129. Then unit place 9 I will get if I multiply 7 and 7. So I will check at 47 into 7, it gives me 329. So this number becomes 47, and this 7 will go in the quotient. So the product is 329, remainder is 0. So square root of 7.29 is 2.7. Now in third part you can see 51.84. So taking care of this decimal, the numbers on the right side will come in pair 84 and number on the left side will come in pair 51. Suppose here we have 151.84. Then how to put bars, how to take in pairs. After this decimal we have 84, so one pair is this, and on the left side of numbers we have to make pairs from right to left. So 51 will come in one pair and 1 will come in other pair. So we have two pairs in the left of decimal, right? This is how we can make pairs. So here in the left side of decimal we have two numbers which will come in the pair. If we have one number we can make one pair. If we have three numbers then we can make two pairs like this. Now perfect square smaller than 51 is 49. 7 sevens are 49. After subtraction we get 2. This decimal will go in the quotient and 84 will come down. It becomes 284. Now we have to find the divisor. 7 2s are 14. We have to multiply quotient with 2 to get the next divisor. 14. Now we have to take one number, one same number up and down with 14 so that their product give us 284. If I take along with 14 2, 142 into 2, it gives me 284. So 14 becomes 142 and this 2 will go in the quotient and the product is 284, remainder is 0. 51.84 square root is 7.2. So this was question number 3. So thank you so much.